Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this tasty stew. It was so rich in flavor and one of the best stews I've ever had. So let's jump straight into making it. My meat was frozen and I decided to use it as it is because I didn't have time to wait for it to defrost. Here I'm just cutting the ends of the okra. You can choose to wash before cutting the ends, but I feel like since the ends hold so much dust and dirt, I decided to cut before washing, but you can choose otherwise, as I said. So the rest of the steps are just simple to follow by, so I won't be doing a voiceover throughout the video. So let's just get into it and make this cozy stew for you, for your family. Then don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. You can comment if you ever had this stew, or when you do try to make it, kindly comment and tell me how you like it. See you in another video. Enjoy.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
Take some time just to get back and forth. That I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love when I come around? Build you up, then I take. Ooh.
shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body stays. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy.